Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk skinny RX, weight loss treatments and trizepatide tablets and injectable treatment. Okay, you should take any treatment on this platform or not. Does their treatment really work and the results are temporary or permanent? So in this video we will cover lots of things. So you should invest your money in this brand or not. So after watching my video you can make a proper decision you should buy any treatment or not. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, Skinny RX is a very popular brand and they are approx 7 to 8 to 10-year old. And if we talk about in the presentation on internet, they have good value on internet and they have good reputation on internet. Okay, and they have good reviews also on Trustpilot. You can see 4.8 ratings on Trustpilot at the rate of 5,000 reviews. Okay, approx 5,000 reviews. So if we talk about in the presentation or in the form of contact support, in the terms of legitness, the brand is 100% legit. And if we talk about the product, basically they are providing trizepatide tablets and semaglutide tablets. This is very unique thing. Okay, and they also provide you injectable trizepatide and semaglutide. When you take any treatment, you can choose according to your comfort zone. You can choose tablets, you can choose injectable form. Okay, but if we talk about weight loss treatment, yes, definitely when you visit on any platform, when they provide you weight loss programs, they will only give you trizepatide or semaglutide, as you know very well. So these kind of supplements will really work, we can say definitely this thing. Okay, but the results are temporary for some person, and for some person the results are a long-term results. Okay, but results are not permanent, we can say 100% definitely. When you stop taking these kind of medications, these kind of injectable drugs, then it will stop craving, and after some time it will stop working and it will increase your craving also, and it will increase again, gaining your body will gaining your weight. Okay, so basically the results are temporary. When you stop the medicine, when you stop the tablet, you will again feel obesity. Okay, so if we talk about the treatment, basically if you take treatment a long period of time, then you can go. And if we talk about results, so how much time it will take to give you results, so basically at least 12 weeks is the good time period. After 12 weeks you will see lots of change in your body, and after 8 weeks you will see changes starting in your body. Okay, so if we talk about what are the precautions you should take, basically if you are a pregnant woman, if you are a nursing woman, then you should avoid taking any kind of weight loss treatment, because it can may harm your health. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy any treatment or not, yes, definitely you can take treatment, but if your goal is permanent, then you have to be very disciplined in your diet, and you have to be very active in your daily activities, and you need to burn your lots of calories, because as you know, when you take any treatment related to this kind of medication, each and every brand will provide you same kind of treatment, and the results are same for each and every brand. So if we talk about the brand, yes, you can go. Brand is also very good, but the costing is also very big factor. If this brand is under your cost, if the brand is affordable, then you can make a purchase. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.